Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate the engine starter fuse on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here, but it should work for the other years as well. You have two fuse boxes, guys, but we'll need to work only in one of them. That's located right under the hood on your F-150. If you open the hood, you will see that's the engine bay, that's the car battery there, and if you come towards the right side, towards the left side, right here, that's the fuse box cover. You open that cover and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere, if you're driving through a small town, or they can be really overpriced at parts stores. So we'll recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out. We need to work in that fuse panel right here. You can see that fuse panel right here, and if we guys come in the middle row right there, and you start from the bottom to top, you'll be one. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2. That second fuse, guys, the 30mm fuse, is for the engine starter. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.